Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert, here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. Here to show you how to prep a grinder before I sharpen some of my garden tools around the house. Here we are on location in beautiful Harsons Island, here to show you how to get a grinder ready for sharpening some tools like lawnmower blades, edgers, and hedge trimmers. So, what we have is, what's required is a dressing stone. A fancier dressing wheel would be a tool like this. Both of these are used to help get the crumb out of a grinding wheel. When a grinding wheel gets too much iron or aluminum or any foreign materials in it, instead of removing material as the grinder is spinning, we burn the metal. So we don't get a good grinding job and everything goes bad. So here's a quick how to prep it. Most of you won't have one of these, so I'm going to do most of it with this. I'm just going to show you real quick what this baby does too. I'm going to get this guard out of the way. You'll see the sharpening stone changing color as we're getting the iron out of there. It's going to become gray again. Right now it's all different colors. What else this does, it makes the wheel round again. Sometimes a grinding wheel will get out of balance. So if we take our time with this stone, that's the coarse wheel. That's what we use mostly. This is the fine wheel. You can see the darkness is coming out of the wheel. And it's not good until the whole wheel is clean. See how beautiful gray that looks now? That's how you want that wheel. No particulates inside the wheel. That'll allow it to remove more material quicker, do a better job, and you won't burn. This particular tool is used to hawk off a large amount of grinding wheel kind of in a hurry. When I say a large amount, I'm talking actually not much, but to get into the grinding wheel, to get all the crud out of the pores of the grinding wheel. Then we need, it's nice to have a stone that we can take and we can polish it off